something that is reflective and is shiny. And remember how I was using mineral spirits, or you could use isopropyl alcohol to wet or to clean the surface? Well, if you want to clean the surface and also wet it, you take your isopropyl, you spray it over here, and now you can see, oh, you can see with your line there that how nice and flat that is. See that? See how there's no wave in it? You see down there how there is a wave because there's still a dent there. Well, that area where there was a dent is now nice and flat.